Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a great question from one of our viewers, Acer Creations, who asked how to get rid of all that text in code that scrolls across the screen while the system is booting. In the Hackintosh world, that text wall is known as verbose mode. It's incredibly useful for troubleshooting when you're first setting up your system because it shows you exactly where a boot loop or a crash is happening. But once your system is stable, you probably want that clean native Mac experience. By removing verbose mode, you'll replace all that messy code with the classic clean Apple logo and a smooth progress bar. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using Windows. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to edit our configuration. We'll be using property to edit our config.plist file. Once the main interface loads up, head over to the top left, click on File, and select Open. Now locate your working backup EFI folder. For this demonstration, I've got mine right here on the desktop. We're going to browse through the subfolders. Open the EFI folder, then the OC folder, and there it is, our config.plist file. Select it and click Open. With our configuration loaded, we need to find our boot arguments. Go back up to File and select Toggle Find Replace from the lower portion of the menu. Or to save time, just hit Ctrl F on your keyboard to bring up the search bar. In the text box that appears, type in boot arg and press Enter. Property will take you right to the correct line. Look at the value next to boot arg. To edit it, simply double-click on that value string. All we need to do here is delete the -v flag. Make sure you leave any other arguments like your audio layouts or graphic fixes completely untouched. Just backspace the -v and press Enter when you're done. Perfect. Now let's save our changes. Go to File, click Save, and you can safely close out of property. Now that our file is edited, we need to move it back into our hidden system partition. For this, we'll open up Disk Genius. Launch the app and give it just a moment to load up your drives. On the left-hand sidebar, locate the drive where your OpenCor EFI partition resides. Expand it, click through the EFI folder, and then open the OC folder. This is the old config.plist that we need to replace. Now open up the local folder on your desktop where we just saved our edited config.plist. Simply grab that file, drag it across your screen, and drop it right into the Disk Genius window. Disk Genius will pop up a prompt asking if you're sure you want to replace the existing file. Go ahead and click Yes to confirm. And that's it. You can now close Disk Genius. The next time you restart your Hackintosh, you should be greeted by a perfectly clean native Apple boot screen. No messy code in sight. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Hackintosh tips, tricks, and tutorials. Big thanks again to Acer Creations for the question. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you all in the next one.